Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to de-seed a pomegranate in under 5 minutes. Pomegranates are in season in the fall, and they're one of the most highly beneficial fruits that you can eat, but the biggest complaint is they're messy and people don't want to take the time to have to de-seed them and pick all the seeds out. So this method is really useful. I do it on Sundays after grocery shopping so that I can just grab my container for the week and go when I want to have pomegranates for breakfast. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a cutting board. My pomegranate, we'll do one at a time, don't get ahead of yourselves. A paring knife, and then a container. So one pomegranate will actually fill one of these up completely, so I'm just going to put that up there for now. But what I want to do first, and I'm going to reposition the camera a little bit, before we get started, please make sure to be wearing some type of apron or towel cover. This one is cute, it has pockets. I've used it for this before. The pomegranate juice just does stain and it will spread everywhere. Just make sure that you have something covering your clothes and then just throw this in the wash with some bleach after and it'll get it out, I promise. I did it with this. You can't even tell that there are any pomegranate stains on it. And this is white. So let's jump into deseeding a pomegranate in under 5 minutes. So you're gonna cut the top half off. You want to be able to try and see as much of the hearts as possible. It's okay if you can't see everything. If you can make it out, that's great. And then you want to do the same on the other side. And that I didn't really get a lot of hearts on, so I'm going to cut it a little bit further. And now I can see some remnants of it. Luckily I can use this side as my basis because what's on this side is inevitably going to be on this side. If you don't know what I mean by hearts, pomegranates grow in sections like wedges, and you're going to be slicing through those wedges. So you just want to be able to see it at least on one side. So you're going to take your knife, your paring knife, and you're going to cut about 1/2 inch into the wedge. Can you see that up close? And you're going to continue that around every wedge. Okay, so then once you have your pomegranate wedge, and I should have done this beforehand because I do it every time. You want to take paper towels and place it down because even if it's a cutting board, I don't want it to get stained anyways. So I'm going to take the container and I'm going to break off a wedge, but I'm going to do it over the container because some are going to fall in. Oh, so beautiful. Okay. So I'm going to break off a wedge. That's a really small wedge, so I'm going to actually save that one for last. So here's my wedge. I'm going to grab a spoon. I'm going to hold the wedge like this. I'm not going to like grip it. I'm not going to squeeze it. I just want to lightly touch the skin of the pomegranate. And then I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to hold it inside the bowl and just start banging it. And it's completely deseeded. There might be some still stuck like deep inside the pomegranate. That's normal. You can just break it in with your fingers. But this is a really simple way, efficient way, fast way to de-seed a pomegranate without actually having to get juice all over you, to get a mess, to have to eat it right then and there when you open it. And like, you can actually bring a pomegranate to work for once, where typically before, pomegranates were something I only ate at home because they were so messy for me to eat. Because who wants to open up a pomegranate at work? Like, absolutely no one. So this next piece I'm going to take and just continue the same thing. We're going to move on to the next, so every time that you peel off a wedge, just do it over the container because they will fall out. completely empty. It's awesome. And there you go. That is one whole pomegranate deseeded with minimal mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these with the time sped up, and then I'll also record the time so you guys can see just how quick this is. Pomegranates like this in a container are great for smoothies. They're great for adding to yogurt. They're great to just eat alone. You can add some honey to them. They're really, really healthy for you, and I hope that this video helps. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and check out my channel for more. I'm going to be uploading every single day of the month of December for 25 days of LuLu creations. Please excuse my stuffiness. I am sick, and I normally don't sound this congested. All right, bye guys.